Hi, my name is Jessie Harrington, and since being home, I have spent a lot of time with my family. I've gotten outside when I can, whether it's going for a bike ride or going for a run, and I've just kind of been organizing around my house.
Hi everyone, I'm Lara, and over this time I have gotten back into painting. Actually just finished a paint by number, so that's been taking up quite a bit of my time.
Hi, my name is Aaliyah, and over this quarantine back at home, I've been doing a lot of working out, enjoying fresh air outside, doing walks, and developing my really terrible cooking skills. I miss UMass dining.
Hi, my name's Lucas. Since UMass went remote, I've been going to class in my pajamas. I've been taking lots of nice long walks. I've been playing a lot of Minecraft with my girlfriend.
Hi guys, it's Makayla. So far I've just been going on runs, which I don't usually do, doing my homework, going to class on Zoom, hanging out with my parents and my dog.
Hi, my name's Abby, and while I've been home, I've been walking my dog on the beach, as well as having family game nights and making TikToks with my sisters.
Hey everyone, it's Rebecca, and since I've been home from UMass Amherst, I've taken my dog on a lot of walks, watched some shows on Netflix, and have done a lot of painting.
How's it going? I'm Eric Rybicki, and to stay busy during these times, I've taken up cooking. My scrambled eggs are absolutely delicious.
Hello, I'm Elyse. I am a tour guide here at UMass, and while I've been home, I have been going on a lot of walks and runs outside while it's nice out, as well as painting and reading new books.
Hi, it's Maddy, and since I've been home from UMass, I have gone on a lot of walks outside, and I've also done a lot of baking.
Hi, I'm Jillian. I'm a tour guide here at UMass Amherst, and some things I've done to keep active during the quarantine period are I've gone on several walks with my family, I've baked some goods like brownies, lemon bars, I even successfully made bread.
Hi, my name is Laura Belinsky, and since I've left UMass and have gone home, some of the things I've been doing is I've been baking with my sister. We've actually baked cookies, banana bread, and pizza.